Hello, friends. Do you want to learn African drum? Well, you are at the right place. Let's go!
Hello everyone, my name is Emily. No, I'm Emily. Anyway, welcome to Kids African Drum course. Today, we are going to teach you the first class of binary improvisations. The first beat will be a tempo for our improvisation, which is bass. So you're gonna count it like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. You get it? Let's play together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. Our improvisation beats will be 2 tones, 3 tones, 4 tones, and 5 tones. We're gonna play it on a drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. But we're gonna play it in a fast way. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's play together with the tempo beat. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of binary exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. Please share with your friends and families too. Goodbye!